Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are keeping good health and are fine. If you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Today's topic is forces and types of forces. First, what is force? A push or a pull applied on an object is known as force. Whether there is an interaction between two objects, there is a force upon each of the objects. When interaction ceases, the two objects no longer experience the force. The formula for force is F is equal to small a and small m. ma, whether m stands for mass of an object and a is acceleration. Next we will discuss about the types. There are many types of forces. In the book of 9th class, these types of forces are mentioned. First is muscular force. Muscular force is applied when we push, pull or lift something. It is the result of actions of muscles. Whether movement of body occurs, muscular force is required. For example, getting up from seat, crossing a leg and lifting. So, the force which is used by our muscles and through our human body is known as muscular force. Second type is frictional force. A force which is opposite the motion of an object and acts in the opposite direction of motion is called frictional force. Force generated by two surfaces that contacts and slide against each other. The angle and the position of object affect the volume of frictional force. Best example of frictional force is applying brakes to stop a moving cycle and skating. When a vehicle is moving, brake is always applied to the opposite direction to which vehicle is moving. As a result, the vehicle is stopped. Next is gravitational force. Earth pulls all the objects towards itself with a force. This force is gravitational force. Most of you must have knowledge about it. Whenever we throw an object from height, it will land on surface. The force which is attracting an object falling from height is known as gravitational force. Here an important point is that in the space there is no gravitational force. As a result, the astronauts move freely in the space and they wear special type of suits facing zero gravity, as in zero gravity human cannot exist and cannot survive. Next is mechanical force. The force applied by a machine for doing a work is known as mechanical work. So, all the work done by machines is due to the mechanical force. In these days, most of the work done in the factories are by robots and they are decreasing dependency on human labor. Next is buoyant force. Upward force a fluid exerts on an object. According to Archimedes' principle, is the fact that buoyant force is equal to the weight of the displayed fluid. We can understand it with an example. If a glass is filled with water and we place a cube of ice in it, then water displaced from the glass is equal to the weight of the ice cube placed in it. Similarly, whenever a ship is landed in sea, you must have seen that water in the sea is displayed at some place. It is equal to the weight of ship. Next is magnetic force. Force which is exerted by a magnet with which it pulls iron objects towards itself is called magnetic force. As you ever have noticed that when we tie a magnet with a thread, it will always move to north and south direction due to the gravity in the earth and the fact of north and south poles. The principle of magnet is very similar to the earth magnet, which is north and south pole theory. The best example is compass. Whenever we move compass from any direction or any place, they will always show same direction everywhere, and arrow showing the direction will always show correct direction. It is based on the principle of magnetic force. Next is electrostatic force. Force with which charged objects attract things is called electrostatic force. We can charge some objects for a small amount of time. The best example is that if we rub a scale on a head, it will attract small pieces of paper placed on table, as rubbing on a head will charge the scale for very small time, and this will attract small pieces of paper. It is the best example of electrostatic force. So students, this is the explanation of types of forces. I hope you have understood. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you all.